If you're looking for some profitable part-time small business ideas, you've come to the right place. In this video, we will explore 13 profitable part-time small business ideas to start a small business. 1. Social media consultant. With the ever-growing popularity of social media, more and more businesses are looking for help in this area. 2. Personal trainer. There are plenty of opportunities for those with an interest in fitness to start a small business. A personal trainer can help their clients to improve their overall fitness, lose weight, or train for a specific event. 3. Freelance writer. There are many ways to make a living as a freelance writer. You can work with businesses to produce content for their website, or you can work with individuals to help them write articles, blog posts, or even books. 4. Start a blog. If you have a passion for writing and want to share your thoughts with the world, starting a blog is a great way to do it. Not only is it a fun way to express yourself, but you can also make money from your blog if you know how to monetize it properly. 5. Event planner. Event planning is a great way to make some extra money on the side. It can be a very profitable part-time business if you know how to market your services and get clients. 6. Home stager. As the real estate market continues to rebound, more and more homeowners are looking for ways to increase the value of their home before putting them on the market. One way to do this is by hiring a home stager. Home stagers help potential buyers visualize a home's potential by making it look its best. 7. Personal shopper. If you have a sharp eye for fashion and know how to bargain hunt, this could be the perfect part-time business idea for you. 8. Virtual assistant. Virtual assistants can be a great way to make some extra money on the side. There are many businesses and individuals who need help with tasks that can be done remotely, such as an administrative work, customer service, or social media management. 9. Errand Service. This type of business involves running errands for busy people who don't have the time to do them themselves. 10. Start a pet sitting business. Assuming you have a love for animals, starting a pet sitting business can be a profitable and rewarding way to earn some extra income. 11. Start a house cleaning business. To get started, you'll need to invest in some basic equipment like vacuum cleaners, mops, and cleaning supplies. 12. Lawn care or snow removal business. If you're looking for a profitable part-time business idea, you might want to consider starting a lawn care or snow removal business. And 13. Handyman. If you're good with your hands and have a knack for fixing things, starting a handyman business can be a profitable way to earn some extra money.